Usong-uso ngayon ang plant-based food, kaya ito isang vegan, umami, talong teriyaki recipe. Let's start cooking! Slice lang natin yung ating talong and we will score. Yan, no? One side lang siya na ganyan. And I will just cook my talong. O, meron ako ditong square dish. I'll season with salt. Yan, generous with salt and pepper. Kasi wala namang lasa yung ating talong. So, we're just waiting for it to be tender enough, no? Yung lutong-luto yung ating talong. And I will make my very simple teriyaki sauce. I just have some water, soy sauce, sugar, white sugar to, and ginger. I will just grate my ginger. So, I'm just adding here, may cornstarch ako dito. Kukuha lang ako ng konti. Around like a teaspoon. I have my paper towel. Let the excess water drip off. Diba may slit tayo dito? Diba we open it up? Gagawin mo dito, you will just open up your talong and sort of mash it a little bit to open up the talong. And what you do here, you coat this in your dredge, in our cornstarch, and we will fry. So one side with the skin, ang other side, just with the flesh. So, dalawang textures, hindi siya magiging boring to eat. Please grab a copy of my cookbooks, Simpol 101, Simple Kitchen Secrets, and Baking Simple, available at Lazada and Shopee in the Philippines, and on Amazon internationally. Kaya, add to cart na. Oh, look at that. It's so beautiful, no? It's our time to, yung mga luto na, yung mga crispy na, baliktarin natin. Ito, konti na lang. I just want this to be really crispy. Yung aim ko talaga is the textures that we develop by frying it properly. Oh, look at that. Ang dali lang ng ating recipe, pero especially for vegans, it's going to be very satisfying. Look at that. Kala mo bangus filet, no? And our sauce is so simple to make. Just add it. May cornstarch siya sa, so ibig sabihin, it's going to thicken. And titikman ko nga, teriyaki ba? It's teriyaki enough. Perfect. And all you have to do now is just pour our teriyaki sauce. So easy, so delicious, so simple. Happy with a little bit of leeks. A recipe that any vegan or non-vegan will enjoy. Talong teriyaki, simple!